The combined wealth of the world's 500 richest people reached $10 trillion last year, with Elon Musk dominating the list after boosting his fortune to an unprecedented $442.1 billion.
지난해 세계 500대 부호들의 자산 총액이 10조 달러에 달했으며 그중에서도 4,421억 달러라는 전대미문의 액수로 자산을 불린 일론 머스크가 전체 1위를 차지했습니다.
Yeah, so as with these billionaires, much of their, I guess, their wealth is tied to stocks, right? With shares, and so it's less liquid, so it'll fluctuate from time to time. But we're looking at just 2024 as the annual year, compared from January 1st to December 31st. So Musk's value jumped from 213 billion to 442.1 billion at the end of the year. So if my math is correct, he nearly doubled or more than doubled his earnings throughout the year.
네, 그렇습니다. 그 포브스 실시간 부호들의 순 자산을 확인할 수 있는 사이트가 있더라고요. 제가 어젯밤에 들어가서 봤더니 이제 새해 주가가 조금 떨어지면서 일론 머스크의 자산이 조금 떨어졌지만 그렇지만 그래도 $400 billion는 넘습니다. 물론 우리가 조금이라고 말하는 액수는 어마어마한 액수인데 이제 왔다 갔다는 조금 하나 그래도 $400 billion은 넘는다는 것.
We're talking billions going up and down, fluctuating here. And it's kind of hard to grasp. We love watching these or looking at these lists of the richest people in the world, but it's hard to grasp or really fathom how much money this actually is. So if you compare it, his wealth of 442 billion or so, and if it was a country's GDP, Musk alone would be 35th in the world, just behind countries like Bangladesh and Vietnam.
Wow.
So that's how much money we're talking about
puts
here.
It into perspective.
Yeah, and it's not just these tech billionaires. There are a lot of younger billionaires now. People under 60 years old make up about 27% of this list of billionaires. These 500 billionaires. So, yeah.
$442 billion는 이제 4,420억 달러가 넘는 거고요. 우리 돈으로는 약 650조가 넘습니다.
Yeah, these are annual budgets for countries, right?
그렇죠. 그래서 지금 얘기한 게 사실 이렇게 우리가 뭐 몇백조 하면은 전혀 와닿지가 않죠. 그거를 영어로는 it's hard to grasp, G-R-A-S-P 이렇게 표현합니다. 딱 와닿지가 않아요. 그래서 put it into perspective, 좀 이해하기 쉽게 설명을 하자면은 국가마다 이제 경제 규모가 얼마만큼의 돈이 있느냐에 따라서 순위를 매기게 되는데 일론 머스크 개인의 자산이 전 세계 한 35위 정도 되는 국가의 자산에 해당되는 개인 자산이라고 하고요. 그다음에 이제 이 $10 trillion 이것도 되게 significant한 수치죠. 지금 $10 trillion 우리 돈으로 이제 한 1경 4,700조 원이 됩니다. 그래서 이렇게 10 trillion을 넘은 것도 처음인 것 같고.
I guess it's a milestone.
네. 그리고 그다음에 개인 자산 이렇게 4천억이 넘은 것도 작년 말쯤에 처음이라는 소식이 들렸습니다.
If you want to interpret this list sort of and dissect it a little more, a lot of the earners here are their wealth comes from tech. The tech industry is a booming industry, but on the flip side, if you look at more traditional billionaires, people like Bernard Arnault, he's a fashion mogul, right? They took a lot of losses, the luxury goods sector. So it's sort of an indication of how maybe consumer spending and maybe consumers aren't spending as much on things like luxury items.
Right.
But tech is still very important to us.
그렇군요. 자, dominate라는 표현을 좀 보겠습니다.
Sure. So Musk is dominating this list, meaning that he leads it or he commands it, right? He has a lot of influence on it.
장악한다라는 뜻이 원래는 있어요. 그렇기 때문에 일론 머스크가 이 순위표를 장악한다라는 것은 1위를 했다라는 뜻이기도 하고 dominate가 무엇에서 가장 두드러지다 이런 의미가 될 수도 있겠죠. 그 다음에는 boost.
Yeah, when you boost something, you increase it or you lift it up. I think of a booster chair for babies.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's what they call it. Is that what they call it in the UK?
부스터 있죠.
Yeah, or when you go, it doesn't have to be the high chair. It can also be anything that lifts you up. I remember when I was young, when you go to the hair salon, the chair is too big for you, so
Yeah,
they'll put a little box on there to boost you up as well, right?
맞아요. 네. 영화 볼 때도 어린이들은 이렇게 쿠션을 좀 부스팅 해가지고 높이 올라와서 영화 볼 수 있게 하는 쿠션이 따로 있거든요. 아이들 전용. 그것도 일종의 부스터라고 볼 수 있을
Sure.
것 같은데
Yep.
부스트가 이렇게 끌어올리는 겁니다. 자, 그렇다면 여기서 일론 머스크가 자산을 부스팅했다라는 것은 자산을 늘렸다 이렇게 보면 되겠죠. 그럼 다시 한번 제가 읽어보겠습니다. The combined wealth of the world's 500 richest people reached $10 trillion last year, with Elon Musk dominating the list after boosting his fortune to an unprecedented $442.1 billion. Okay, let's move on to the next headline.
Cocoa and coffee closed 2024 as the biggest gainers among commodities for a second year on a global supply deficit, while steelmaking coal ended as the worst performer.
코코아와 커피가 전 세계 공급 부족으로 인해 작년 원자재 시장에서 2년 연속 가장 큰 상승세를 보이며 마감한 반면 철강용 석탄은 최악의 성적을 거둔 것으로 집계됐습니다.
A lot of business stories today to start off the year. It seems like this time we're talking about the commodities market. And commodities are things, just basic things, basic items that we sort of invest in, things like gold, corn, wheat. You can actually, there's a market that you can trade for these sorts of items, right? But we're talking about cocoa, which is used in chocolate. So if you're a chocolate lover and you notice that chocolate prices are going up, they nearly tripled in price, outpacing other commodities, reaching nearly $13,000 a metric ton in New York. And that's because of the weather. The weather played a big part in that with dry conditions in Western Africa, as well as coffee. I mean, there's other reasons why coffee prices are going up at, your local coffee shop. But if you look at the commodity itself, their prices are the highest in more than 4 decades. And again, due to climate sort of issues in Brazil, where Brazil is the top producer of coffee.
Exactly. 네, 여기서 commodities market가 원자재 시장이 되겠습니다. 그리고 우리는 코코아라고 하는데요. 영어의 스펠링이 COCOA임에도 불구하고 발음은 영어로 cocoa라고 발음합니다. 그래서 cocoa and coffee, 코코아와 커피가 이 원자재 시장에서 가장 작년에 어떻게 보면 성적이 좋았던 것으로 볼 수, 금액이 올랐다는 거죠. 가격이 비싸졌다. 이런 의미로 볼 수 있겠고. 그 다음에 이제 철강용 석탄은 그 반대였는데, gainer하고 worst performer라는 표현을 좀 보겠습니다.
Yeah, they're almost contrasting sort of terms, right? So anytime you add an ER to the end of a word, you're usually talking about a person.
Yep.
Or an organization that can do something. So a gainer here, we're talking about a person that's improved or benefited from a certain situation or process. So if we're talking about commodities prices, just based on their performance, they gained.
gain, G-A-I-N, 뭔가를 얻었다라는 뜻이죠. gainer는 그런 걸 획득한 사람입니다.
Yeah.
그러니까 뭐 승리자가 될 수도 있고 우승자가 될 수도 있고요.
So when you look at stock news, they'll often say, there were many gainers, but there were also many losers as well.
그렇죠. 주가가 이제 오른 경우에는 그런 주식을 보유한 사람들이 게이너가 될 것이고 떨어졌을 경우 마찬가지로 이제 그만큼의 손실이 있었던 거니까 loser라고 표현을 하겠죠.
Yeah, every day you see a stock market sort of update. You'll say, for example, tech stocks and biomedical stocks were gainers in today's session, whereas other sort of electronics or the auto market were losers.
Exactly. 자, 그 다음에 또 다른 표현인데요. 비슷한 얘기예요. worst performer, 뭐 best performer도 있겠죠?
Yeah, it's used to describe a company or a product that's the least successful of its type.
worst performer는 최악의 성적을 거둔 사람이니까 여기서는 사실 사람이 아니고요. 다 지금 원자재들을 얘기하고 있는 거죠. 어떤 분야. 그 worst performer가 여기서는 아까 철강용 석탄이라고 했습니다. 또 반대로 best performer라는 표현을 쓸 수도 있을 것 같아요. 그
Yeah.
gainer 대신에
Yeah.
이렇게 표현할 수도 있습니다.
And just in case you're wondering in the headline what steel making coal is, I actually had to look that up. It's sometimes called metallurgical or coking coal. It's a product that's turned into carbon. I know
Yeah.
we're getting technical here, but in the process of manufacturing coal. So it's a very basic sort of raw material.
Right. 우리말로 이제 철강용 석탄 이렇게 말합니다. 다시 한번 읽어볼게요. Cocoa and coffee closed 2024 as the biggest gainers among commodities for a second year on a global supply deficit, while steelmaking coal ended as the worst performer. Now here's our final headline.
Researchers have found that on average, a single cigarette takes about 20 minutes off a person's life, meaning that a typical pack of 20 cigarettes can shorten a person's life by nearly 7 hours.
담배 한 개비를 피울 때마다 수명이 20분 단축된다는 연구 결과가 나왔습니다. 이에 따르면 20개비가 든 담배 한 갑을 피울 경우 거의 7시간의 기대 수명이 줄어드는 셈입니다.
Quite a timely article for this time of year when many people are making New Year's resolutions,
Yes.
and oftentimes it's either losing weight or quitting any sort of vice like smoking here. And so, in case you needed any more reminding that smoking is bad for you,
Here it is.
Here it is.
Yeah.
So again, this is based on just studies and on average. So whether literally you are going to lose let's say, 7 hours
Yeah.
by smoking one pack of cigarettes. If you sort of project that into 1 year, and so if you quit smoking today or January 1st, let's say you smoke half a pack, which is 10 cigarettes, then you can prevent or gain, I guess, 1 full day by January 8th.
와우.
Yeah.
그 한 갑을 영어로는 one pack 이렇게 표현을 하는 거죠. Take 20 minutes off a person's life에서 take something off 이걸 좀 보겠습니다.
Yeah, if you take something off a life, for example, you're sort of removing it or eliminating or erasing it, I'd say.
그렇죠. 빼다 이런 뜻이에요. 떼어내다. 그래서 take 20 minutes off a person's life라는 것은 어떤 사람의 기대 수명, 그 인생에서 20분을 떼어내는 것과도 같은 결과다 이런 뜻이 되겠죠.
Yeah, think of taking off your clothes. You're removing it
그죠.
from your body, right?
그때는 이제 옷을 벗는 거니까 뭔가를 뭐 빼다, 떼다, 뭐 벗다 이런 의미가 다 되겠네요.
Yeah, but it can also mean starting or if you take off for work, that means you're embarking on a trip.
그렇습니다. 그 다음에 typical 볼까요?
Yeah, something that's typical is average, ordinary, just conventional.
네, 보통의 이거를 typical이라고 합니다. So how do you spend your typical day? 이렇게 물어본다면은 보통 하루 어떻게 보내세요? 이런 의미가 되겠죠. My typical breakfast consists of cereal and English tea. 뭐 이런 식으로 말을 할 수가 있겠죠.
Not just any tea, it has to be English tea.
tea.
Okay.
Actually, I don't have breakfast.
That's not a good habit. Maybe you should make that your New Year's
I
resolution.
should.
Yeah.
네. Typical은 정말 많이 쓰는 표현입니다. Typical.
Typical is a very typical word, right?
It is a typical
Yes.
word. How do you spell it?
Typical.
All right.
It's not typical, it's typical.
맞습니다. 발음도 주의하시고요. 자, 제가 다시 한번 읽어볼게요. Researchers have found that on average, a single cigarette takes about 20 minutes off a person's life, meaning that a typical pack of 20 cigarettes can shorten a person's life by nearly 7 hours. Well, that's it for the headlines with Shane.